माननीय वित्त मंत्री श्रीमती
Presenting the union budget for 2024-25 in the Lok Sabha, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said on Tuesday that the central government will provide 15,000 crore rupees in financial assistance for Andhra Pradesh for the purpose of development of Amravati.
Our government has made concerted efforts to fulfill the commitments in Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. Recognizing the state's need for the capital, recognizing the state's need for a capital, we will facilitate special financial support through multilateral development agencies. In the current financial year, 15,000 crore rupees will be arranged with additional amounts in future years.
Nirmala Sitharaman further said the NDA government at the centre is fully committed to financing and early completion of the Polavaram irrigation project.
Our government is fully committed to financing and early completion of the Polavaram irrigation project, which is the lifeline for Andhra Pradesh and its farmers. This will facilitate our country's food security as well.
Sitharaman also announced that under the AP Reorganization Act, funds will be provided for essential infrastructure for promoting industrial development and also grants for backward regions.
Under the Act, Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, for promoting industrial development, funds will be provided for essential infrastructure such as water, power, railways, and roads. An additional allocation will be provided this year towards capital investment for economic growth. Grants for backward regions of Rayalaseema, Prakasham, North Coastal Andhra, as stated in the Act, will be provided.
Reacting to the announcement, the Telugu Desam party said special allocations were made to Andhra Pradesh in the union budget after 5 years, citing commitments announced for the Polavaram project, industrial corridors and others. In a post on X, the ruling party noted that 15,000 crore rupees of funds were allocated for the reconstruction of Andhra Pradesh in the fiscal 2024-25. The state BJP leaders also thanked the finance minister and the prime minister for the fund allocation for the development of Andhra Pradesh's capital.
I am expressing my sincere thanks to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji for the allocations to the state of Andhra Pradesh, most particularly 15,000 crores has announced in this budget for the construction of Amravati.
The Andhra Pradesh wing of the Confederation of Indian Industry or CII welcomed the central government's decision and said that it will help in the development of the state.
వెంటనే మనం ఏపీ రీఆర్గనైజేషన్ యాక్ట్లో ఉన్న అన్ని కండిషన్స్ని మేము సమర్థిస్తున్నాము అనేది నిర్మలా సీతారామన్ గారు చెప్పడం అనేది చాలా ఆనందకరమైన విషయం. ఎందుకంటే మన ముఖ్యమైన డిమాండ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో రీఆర్గనైజేషన్ యాక్ట్లో క్యాపిటల్ లేకుండా ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి ఈ క్యాపిటల్కి సంబంధించిన పూర్తి బాధ్యత మేము తీసుకుంటాము. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లోనే 15,000 crores అలాట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుందని చెప్పారు. కాబట్టి 5 yearsలో మనం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు 75,000 crores వరకు. అలాగనే చెప్పకనే సో మెనీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్, సో మెనీ యూనివర్సిటీస్ ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా అలాంటి క్యాపిటల్ నిర్మాణంలో వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. దీంతో లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎకనామిక్ యాక్టివిటీ డెవలప్ అయ్యి స్టేట్ జీడీపీ పెరిగి ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ పెరిగి గ్రోత్ కూడా ఉండే అవకాశం ఉంది. అలాగనే పోలవరం ప్రాజెక్ట్ని కూడా పూర్తి బాధ్యత మాదే అని వాళ్ళు ఒప్పుకోవడం అనేది చాలా ముఖ్యమైన విషయం.
These announcements come as a boost for the TDP, which is a key ally of the BJP in the centre and the ruling party in Andhra Pradesh.